What's up guys, it's Tron here with DrumVault. Today I'm going to be cooking up a beat with my new Amber Omnisphere Bank. So yeah, let's just get into it. First I'll just show off some of the sounds. Just a range of different weird, clean, basic sounds, just all different complexities and different types like arps, bass, bells, bell pads, just whatever you want really. So I'm going to start off I'm going to choose out a MIDI to make it quicker. I'm going to go in my new Enigma kit, that's my latest MIDI kit. First I'm going to pick a decent patch to go with a smooth melody. I'm going to go with this, but I'm going to actually shift the MIDI down a bit, maybe. I actually like it up. I just pushed it 2 semitones up. Then I'm gonna find another patch and add some sort of counter melody. Maybe a pluck. I think this one fits the sound selection I'm going for. Now I'm gonna start laying out some drums. I'm gonna use VSS's Aura drum kit. I really like this one. I'm just adding in some perks for a bit of bounce. Just adding in a few rolls, a bit of flow in the beat. Yeah, that sounded pretty good. So now I'm going to add in some sort of melody, counter melody that comes in later on in the beat, maybe in the hook or something. I'm going to use a bell because it will punch through nicely and change up the sound a lot. Just gone with that, really simple. Gonna add some 808s now. And go back into VSS's kit and get a kick. Just copying over the 808 pattern and do Alt K to get them all on the same key, C obviously, and then I'm actually going to bring the velocities up to make them hit harder. And then I'll just quickly arrange this. So yeah, just arrange the beat, and that's about it really. So all the sounds in there, the link's in the description if you want to get the kit, and I'll let the beat play out, and hope you guys have a good day.